Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Makia FX. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can register for my Forex fund and go through the evaluation program. So this is a link. The link is in my description. You can hit the link in my description to go directly to the page of my Forex fund, and you have a discount if you use my link in the description. My Forex fund is legit. It's 100% legit. Also with FTMO, these are the leaders of prop firms. Prop firms are more of like companies that can give funds to Forex traders to trade the FX market. As you guys know, the Forex market is very challenging because a lot of us don't have enough capital. But if we had more capital, we could trade Forex with ease and we could make more profit from the market. You can earn as much as a professional trader. They got a rapid program, they got the evaluation program, and they also got the accelerated program. But our focus here is the evaluation program. So I'll just click this link, start now. So when you click the link, you'll get to this particular page, as you can clearly see. And as you can see, they got two-phase evaluation. They got phase 1 and phase 2. So they'll have to test to see if you're able to pass the evaluation first. When you pass the evaluation first with a demo account, they will give you now a real account. So all the evaluation program, you can get it within 2 weeks, maximum within, let's say, 2 weeks to 1 month. You are supposed to have been done with your challenges. That means if you want it very fast. But anyways, let's just go directly to it. So they got about different accounts. They got $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, $50,000, $100,000, $200K, and $300K. So the rules are very simple because prop firms, all of them, they got their own rules. So the first one is that you have 30 days. You have maximum 30 days to hit 8% of your account. If you do not hit 8% of your account, you have failed the challenge. And phase 2, which is the establishment phase, you have to hit 5% of your account. But also there is a drawdown rule. It means that you're not supposed to lose more than 5% of your account in a day, and you're not supposed to lose more than 12% of your account overall. You can't be a successful trader without discipline. So for this particular stuff here, we will go with the first one. That's a $500 challenge. The fee is $49, and this fee is refundable. That means when you pass these two challenges, when you pass your challenge, they will give back your money. You can go with any plan depending on what you want to do. So this is the $500 evaluation standard account. So this account, it costs $49. The platform, you can choose MT4 or MT5. I'm going with MT5 because I'm a pro in MT5. I'll register the account. So this is it there. This is the checkout card in my Forex fund. This is right here. They say, okay, what do you want? I'll take number 1. I'll take 1. That's it. If you have any coupon code, you can apply the coupon code right here. But if you use my link, you have a discount. Now you say proceed to checkout. This is it right here. They'll ask for your billing address. You have to fill out your details, your name, your country, your address, all these things. You have to fill them out right here. And you also have to put your phone number, but most importantly, you have to put your email address because all the details will be sent to your email address. Now you got two payment methods. You have either you pay through a credit card or you pay through Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. So for those who have credit cards, they can easily pay through the credit card. But for those who have Bitcoins, or let's say they have a Binance account, they can choose to pay with their cryptocurrencies. So when you choose your payment method, is okay. You can come here, you can click okay, I have agreed to the terms of the website, and okay, I have verified my order. But you click those two links, just go proceed to Coinbase, because me, I've choose to pay with the Bitcoin wallet. It will take you now to the Coinbase commerce. I don't have a Coinbase account, but I have a Binance account. So what I will do is that I'll just come down here to Bitcoin. If you have a USD account, you can still choose it. If you have the Ethereum, Litecoin, Tether, it all depends on you. Bitcoin Cash, it all depends on you. So I will choose the Bitcoin because that's what I have, and I'll go right now. When you choose the Bitcoin, you have something like this. You copy your address, you copy the address, and you copy the amount. So you take this right now to your Binance account, and you go to withdraw from your Binance account. Then when you withdraw from your business account, you paste this wallet there and you paste the amount there. So when you're done with that right now, you just press OK and the payment will go directly to my Forex fund. So when you have paid with my Forex fund, right, they will send some emails to your email box as when registered. So you'll get an email like this with your name, with the amount that you have paid. I paid with the Bitcoin, so as you can clearly see, I had a discount. As you can clearly see, so I paid $46.55, something like this, if you know what I'm saying. So this is my address and this is what they will send to you. After that, they will send you another email. That's a no reply email, if you know what I'm saying. They will give you the account details. That's your account, your password, your server, your leverage, and your balance of your account. So this is what they will give to you. This is all you need to complete the MYFOREXFUND evaluation registration. So this is the MYFOREXFUND account that I got. This is right here. This is the balance, $5,000. This is the equity. This is the free margin. So the moment I start trading this account, I'll start with the evaluation process, which is about let's say a month from now. So this is how it's going to look like when you're done with your account. So as you're trying to go through the evaluation process, you'll be seeing some stuff here. As you can clearly see, the profit target is what, $400, right? And the overall balance is supposed to be $5,000. So all these things right now are very important. So a lot of these things are very important, right? So this is just how you can create MYFOREXFUND account and go through the evaluation process. So with that said, thanks for watching. Bye.